Hi there, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. This video is part 2 of the viral marketing funnel series. And in this video, this tutorial video, we're actually going to dive into the Builderall, a Cheetah Builder and Mailing Boss platform. And we're going to show you exactly how to set up this viral marketing funnel that we showed you in part 1. Now, if you don't know what we're talking about, or you got here to this video and you haven't watched part 1 of this series, then go ahead and go watch it now. We're gonna link the video with a card up top. You can also go in the description, or you can go to our channel, Top 1 Marketing, Digital Marketing, and go into the Builderall playlist, and you will see part 1 of the viral marketing funnels series. Watch that one, and then you can be up to date, and then you know what we're talking about here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna show you real quick. Let's see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. First thing you got to do is you have to create a list in Mailing Boss. All right. So just go to your lists and create a new list. If you don't know how to create a new list, again, you have to learn how to do that first. You have to know how to do that first. If you don't know how to do that, then again, go to our channel, search in there, and you will find a tutorial video on how to create a list in Mailing Boss. So create a list. Once you have created a list, then you can go ahead and start building out the funnel. So one thing that's very important that you need 3 pages. You need the actual landing page, the page where visitors will land on, and it will actually turn into a referral page or a share page for those that opt in to the giveaway or the contest or whatever it may be. So you need a landing page, and then you need a confirmation page, which is a page that will automatically appear whenever somebody registers, letting them know that they need to go to their email and confirm their email. And then the thank you page, which once somebody goes to their email and they click on confirm the email, or however you design the email to be written out as, nevertheless you want them to click on a link that will, one, confirm their subscription and take them to the thank you page. I showed you all this in part 1. So a landing page, a confirmation page, and a thank you page. That's all you really need. You can go further with one more page that thanks them for entering, like a second thank you page, right? Or something like that. Okay, but essentially these are the 3 pages that you need, right? So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna build out the actual landing page, right? So you build out your landing page, you got your descriptions, you got all the information that the user needs to consume and to proceed. And so you have a form. So you configure this form however you want to configure it. But the important part is, obviously you set your list. Obviously you have to set the list that this campaign is going to be set up as. Okay, set your list, and then go right here to the set link. All right, what you're going to need to do, if it's not done already, it's normally set up like this, but the subscribe pending, what that means is that whenever somebody fills out the email form, they will get redirected to the confirmation page. So you click on that and you select the page that you built out for the confirmation page and click select. This is the confirmation page right here. So once they register, they will automatically be redirected to this page right here, prompting them to go to their email and click on the confirmation link, right? So, and then this one right here is the link that is in the actual email, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the growing spirit, the thank you page here. Click select, right? And what this is gonna do right here, the subscribe confirm, what that's gonna do is you go to pages right here. This is the first email that they're gonna get sent right here. So they have to go from their confirmation page to their email and click this link right here. That is what this button right here, subscribe confirm, is tied to right here. And this right here sends them to this thank you page, which is right here. This is the thank you page, which is the actual share page or the referral page, right? Once they get on this referral page, then they'll have a link and they'll be able to share and they'll be able to see how many registrants that they have accumulated through their link. So here in the edit part, the edit page, what you need to do is you need to add this marketing form right here. And how you find it is in obviously the email marketing. You go all the way to the bottom, and these last three forms is this form right here. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to configure it. So go to edit element and you're going to go to general settings. Right here, you're going to see mysite.com / and then there's going to be an empty space right here. What you need is you need some information from this page right here. And the information that you need is this part of the URL. So this is the landing page, biblicalguides.com / growing spiritually. What you need is everything after the /. You're going to copy that. No spaces before, no spaces after. You need to copy this verbatim just like the way it is. You're going to take that and you're going to go into right here and you're going to copy, you're going to paste it right into here. Make sure there is no space before and no space after. And what this is going to do is somehow magically, this is going to pull the information that you need from this landing page into this form right here. So you can't miss this. You can select right here to show the ranking if you're doing a contest rather than just a referral giveaway. And you're doing a contest, a speed contest or a time contest, and you want to show the person's ranking position, then you select that and then they'll have their ranking position. Okay? And then right here, you can show the number of people that have registered from their link or not. Everything else, you can configure however you want to configure it. All right? You can add or subtract the social shares, whatever. But the most important part is making sure that this right here is right. Once you do that, you click save. And ladies and gentlemen, that is all you need to set up this viral marketing funnel in order for it to work. obviously you have to configure these emails a lot better. Maybe you're gonna have some more information in here in this confirm email. Welcome, thank you for signing up to our competition. Whatever it is, you're gonna want more information here. So you're gonna have to kind of do a little bit better than what I did here. Okay, but other than that, that's it. That's all you really need to set this thing up, guys. So if this video was helpful, please give us a like, a share, and subscribe to our channel so that the next time we come up with one of these awesome tutorial videos, you will get notified. Take advantage of this viral marketing funnel in your Builderall account right now. Trust me, it will do wonders in your business. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.